Well, there's been a little change in weather. That's the mountain up there. You can't even see it. It's snowing so hard. And this is our outdoor pool. Let's see who's in the pool. Hey.
La cámara está en mi... Creo que la dejé en el sillón. Vale, vayan ustedes dos.
Joe, what do you think of this weather?
Oh, it's cool.
Por acá verde.
It's catch snow.
¿Están tomando película?
Ya. ¿Vas a comer o vas a
Yeah, they are.
Ya llegó.
Carlos, córrele. No, no llegas.
Córrele ya por la
It's like
protección.
snowing. Big, nasty, but well, not nasty, but considering we're from Florida, nice.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, I had a great time.
How was the trip, Evie?
Great.
You like the snow?
Yeah, trying to get snow.
Can you catch some on your tongue? What does it taste like?
An unflavored snow cone. You know why?
That's a good.
What it is.
That's true. Joe's right. This is Mom's lounge chair, which she'll be sitting in when she gets out.
I'll lay on it.
You guys are gonna get pneumonia. Joe's getting out, and he's lying in the lounge chair with snow on it.
Oh! It's freezing! Oh, and this is perfect for Dad.
No, no. She scampers back in.
One's ours. Yeah.
Okay, wrap up the trip here.
Okay, we'll throw water on there.
How was it?
Excellent.
Would you come back, Ev?
Yeah.
Would you come back, Tara?
Yeah.
You would?
Had a good day.
You have your own skis now.
Yeah.
So that looks like
You're ready to go anywhere.
freezing water.
What are the chances of Chile this summer? Portillo 96.
We want some. Heavy's drinking beer.
Sorry, Dad.
Let's see her drink the beer.
Let's see Heavy drink the beer. Joseph! That is so mean.
Joe, you are the worst. Where are you?
You okay?
Evie's mad.
She's choking, Joseph. I hate that boy.